You have to give me party by yourself. Send me some money in comment. He's very intelligent and very digital boy. Look at his skills, guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can see, I'm getting tired because I'm doing too much work, and today I will awake whole night. I have to awake. I have a lot of work. I have a lot of assignment. Lots of assignment. I have to finish that. But don't worry, guys. I know your support, your everything will give me power of work. I will get energy from your support. So please support me, guys. Support me. And I want to see your feedback. Without feedback, I cannot get motivated. So you have to do, guys. So guys, I'm going to clean all trash which is underneath my table, my chair. So I have to do that. So first of all, I have to find one of the clothes, because here is not broom. Here is not broom. I have to find one of the cloth. Okay, cloth is here. It will work as a broom. How I will work, how I will use, I will show you. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to clean all trash. I have to use like this, like a wiper. It will work as a wiper. It will work as a broom. I will show you how it will work as a broom. It has become dirty because of so much dust on the floor. So I am going to use as a broom. Look at how, like this. Okay. Oh my god, it is became clean, and I have to keep side all of these, and I will keep my chair on the perfect place, and it will go somewhere here. So you have seen, guys. You know, the reason is that I cannot sit there where is so much stress. It's all about hygiene. It's all about I take care of my body. You have to pay attention to your hygiene. You cannot sit there where is so much stress. So I'm going to do my work. Already I was doing, first of all I have to keep my mobile like this. Already I was doing my work, and time is about to 11 p.m. Okay, guys. Stress was so much, you have already seen, guys. You should pay attention to your hygiene. I will keep side my cap. I have taken off my cap. Now I am without cap, and my work is already on. My work is on last 2 hours. I am very responsible for it. So guys, you should become responsible too. I am not giving you as a lecture. Please don't take like this in your mind. Sometimes I want to entertain you from my crazy activity, from my crazy world. It's all about fun. It's all about fun, guys. So guys, mid of the night, I am eating mango. The taste of mango is very super, so much sweet, like a sugar. This is the summer of India. Every summer we get so much mango. In India we cultivate so much mango. You can eat wherever you live, wherever you belong in the world. You can eat, you can enjoy the taste of mango. So, mango party has done. Mango party has finished. I have eaten mango. So if I talk about time right now, it's about midnight, about 3 a.m. You can imagine I'm doing my work mid of the night. You can imagine about my responsibility. You can think about my responsibility. I'm very responsible person in the world. So I have eaten mango, guys. So after some minute, this is my office one home. So after some minute, I will go to the home. I have became habituated of this. I have became habituated of. So guys, I am about to sleep within some minute. Just one thing I want to say right now. This is the fact which I am going to talk about. Life is all about hustle, bustle, chaos. In chaos, you have to involve in your life. You have to involve. And I am getting itching because of mosquito. They did bite on my feet. So guys, let's meet in the morning. Welcome ji. Time is about 1 p.m. Today I woke up late and I will keep my mobile like this. So I'm going to start my day from the chapati and lady finger. So today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. So I don't have any special plan for today. I don't know about anything. I don't know about party of today. But you have to give me party, guys. You have to give me party by yourself. Send me some money in comment. Nobody knows. Last night I did lot of work. So I did lot of work. So you have to give me today party because today is my birthday. Please give me well wishes which I deserve. After receiving of your wishes, I would say like this. Thank you from bottom of my heart. Once again. Thank you from bottom of my heart. Bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Once again, again and again and again and again and again. This is cake. I'm going to cut. Happy birthday to you. Not to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Today is mine birthday. I'm wishing to you. Sorry guys. Sorry from bottom of my heart. Today I have gotten birthday wishes from my Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. And I am very happy. I am so much happy. I have gotten birthday wishes in my email from the PM Narendra Modi ji. So one of my nephews here is scrolling reels, YouTube shorts. And look at, he's very crazy. So what do you like to say?
I can thousand.
What? Say in English, whatever you wanna say. Guys, look at the time. So we are lying on bed and just playing with him. He's my sister's son and he's my cousin brother's son. He's my... What? Oh. I would describe about. I would explain everything. So he wanted to say this is the Thanos. Thanos. This is the character of Avengers. Oh my God. Who did fart? Oh my God. Look at my crazy nephew is here. Crazy nephew is here and he's using his mobile, scrolling YouTube short, Insta reels. He's very crazy. And I'm going to lie on again on bed. I'm going to lie on bed again. Already I have lying. So what guys you both are doing? Hey, Priyanshu. Priyanshu doing something. I don't know what Priyanshu doing. I have to figure out. I have to ask him. Priyanshu, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, he want to sleep. He want to pretend. Like he getting sleep, but he's not getting sleep. He just pretending. We don't know anything about English, so don't speak. I will. Oh my God, Priyanshu is fighting with me. Please protect me. Priyanshu is going to on AC. Look at his skills. You can off the fan of ceiling. You have to do by yourself. You cannot give me any kind of work. He's very intelligent and very digital boy. Look at his skills, guys. Hey, look at his digital skills of Priyanshu.
गर्मी लग रही है कूलर चला दिमाग खराब करो हमारा धीरे धीरे बाजा फटो जा रहा
Look at guys here, they are shouting. Priyanshu is going to on. Priyanshu is going to on AC.
वह बात भी नहीं रहता
Oh, Priyanshu is getting crazy.
फ्रांसो बहुत मार खाया है
पंखा भी चल रहा सब कुछ चल रहा है
Pransu became crazy boy here. Crazy boy. So guys, you have seen Pransu so much crazy boy in the world. So I would say see you to my next one.